Here I have Xiaomi A2 Lite, and let me show you how to enter the safe mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power. Now from the following menu, let's start holding power off. The following screen should pop up. If you would like to reboot to safe mode, let's just tap OK. Now wait a couple of seconds until your device boots into the safe mode. Alright, as you can see, the home screen pops up, so now you can unlock your device. As you can see, the safe mode is right here, so you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. It's a very useful mode. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's just press power key right here, choose restart and wait until your phone boots into the normal mode. Excellent, as you can see, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock your device and start using your phone in a normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.